Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a rose, so let's get started. To draw this cute rose, let's first start by drawing the outside shape of our rose. So I'm going to come right here and we're going to draw a curve that comes in. And then we're going to come out. So it's kind of like drawing a tulip shape basically. So I'm going to come out with this curve and I'm going to bring it down nice and round. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side, but it's just easier for my hand. I'm just going to go ahead and go all the way down right here, kind of like drawing a big bottom of a U. And then I'm going to come right across. So this is kind of like how wide I want the center of my rose. So I'm going to come right across, say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. And from here, I'm going to draw the same thing on the other side. So see which way is easier for you. Maybe you can just go ahead and go like this, one big shape. But because I'm drawing pretty big, it's just easier for my hands to draw the other side separately. So about right there, and I'm just going to go ahead and join it. If you're drawing pretty small, you can just go ahead and go all the way around. There, so that's your goal, is just draw this kind of tulip shape right here. Then from there, I'm going to bring this up a little bit more. I'm going to come out a little bit more, and then I'm going to round off this corner right here. And I'm going to bring it in like that. And then let's do the same thing on this side, just a little bit, and then round it off. And then this side, I'm going to bring it all the way across, really close to here. So that's my goal. I'm going to bring this petal right here all the way across. It's going to be wrapped, and we're going to get really close to this edge, and then we're just going to taper it in. There. So that's your goal, just taper the shape in. And then on the other side, whatever space you have left, just go ahead and bring it down. Now that we have this main shape in, let's come back to the top right here and make it look like a rose, because right now it kind of looks like a tulip, right? So to make it look like a rose, let's come to, say, about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw just a tiny little angle on both sides. So it's nice and centered on both sides. I'm going to draw two little angles, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve that comes down really close. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw the outside of it. So I'm basically just drawing this oval shape at the top right here, at the top of our rose. And bring this down a little bit more. It's too high. So you just want this to be a little bit, not too much. There. So now that we have this shape in here, I'm going to come inside a little bit off-centered, and I'm going to draw a little oval right about here. And then I'm going to swirl a curve around just to create the insides of our rose, and another curve right there. So I'll come in here really quickly because I know that it looks a little bit confusing. I'm going to bring this in. Just going to wipe this out really quickly because I went too high. Just want to make sure you don't go too high. There. Okay, so now we have the inside, the top inside part of our rose, and then now we're going to draw the bottom. So right here, we're going to find our center. So say about right here, I'm going to draw these little leaves at the bottom. I'm going to come out and curve in, and another one on the same thing on the other side. Come out and curve in. And these are called sepals. Sepals, these little leaves underneath the rose. I had to Google that. So then from there, we're going to come about right here, and we're just going to draw a slight angle line on both sides. And then we're going to bring this straight down for our stem. So let's keep going down. And I know I'm going to put two leaves on my rose. And so let's say about right here, I'm going to go straight down, and about right here I'll stop. and I'll bring out a little stem and then continue my straight line. And I'll just keep bringing this down to say about right here. I'll stop and I'll bring this down, and about right here I'll draw the other leaf. So I'm going to come out of another stem and back in, and then continue my stem. And about right there I'm going to stop and connect at an angle. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw a leaf. So come right back here and we're going to curve a leaf that comes down and sharp right there, and then connect. And you can draw a little center line if you like. And same thing here. Another leaf that comes down. If you want to be really detailed about this rose leaf right here, you can even go zigzags on the sides. I'm just going to make mine smooth and easier today, right? And so now we have our leaves. And so that is a basic rose, if that's all you want to draw. But today, because it's Draw So Cute, I'm going to make it extra cute, right? So if you want to do that, let's add some eyes. So about right here, I'm going to put in a big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. And I'm going to come right across about right here and draw another circle. There. So now with my two circles in, I'm going to make them Draw So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, so now if I draw so cute eyes in, I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve over each eye. And let's give our rose a sweet smile. So right in between the eyes, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve and cap it off. And so that is pretty much it for my drawing of this cute rose. Oh, and let's add some hearts, right? I forgot about that, because this is to celebrate love, Valentine's, or anytime. And another one right here, different size, maybe a little bit bigger. And let's see here, let's add one more, maybe a bigger one right here. There. So now that we're done with our rose, let's go ahead and I'm going to color it with some markers. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this rose turned out, and I helped you draw this fun and easy today and color it as well. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.